So, good morning. I'm really tired. Basically, we had this whole issue with our hotel that got rectified in the end. Accidentally went to the wrong hotel. So we had to like cancel our other reservation and go to the right hotel. Anyway, one other thing, we just walked up a really steep hill, that's why I'm out of breath. So we're here now. We are in the car park, car heaven. We're about to get the car, well, the car's stickered up. We have a lot of regular people here. Hello, hey, how you doing? What's your name, sorry? Aaron, Tomi, nice to meet you. Aaron, my boy Aaron from way back. Yeah, I'm at the cars now, ready to get it clean so it can get stickered up. Yesterday, I broke my front splitter, so if you come down here, look at this. This is because of London, so before we even started the journey, but I have the ultimate fix, sellotape, so I need to actually start the car and pop the front up so I can reach down there. So I'm gonna, why are these children running? Wow. I know this isn't very practical. Does anyone have super glue with them? No? No one carries that around? So, the thing about supercars is that they tend to break a lot. This isn't doing anything. I was really good at it yesterday, but I'm sure it held for a while. Yeah. So I'm here with the gang, the guys. Basically, my front splitter that was split, they've fixed it by removing this, and this part costs £66. £66? Yes. Now you can go on the Gumball rubber. Free. Yeah. So you know what I'll do? There's an SVJ over there. Oh. I'll take off of that. Thanks, guys. Thank you very much. We'll figure out where the car wash guy is. In a minute. They need to be clean. So yeah. Gumball. Like I said, how much do you weigh, you know? Me and my boy. So on three, I am Brew. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wraps are here doing an amazing job on all the cars. They have literally done everything here, working hard. Shout out to these guys. Look at that. 360 Wraps, the official wrap guys of the Gumball, doing an epic job. So my friend Mark's come up and look at his SVJ. This is fully Storato spec. Mark Rato, I'm gonna call it. This looks epic, man. So he's done the roof box. Look at all the mounting points. He's got the blower there. It looks gorgeous. Screwed onto the roof lights, and then you also have the front light as well. Epic. He's done a sick job. That's really good. So we've got MMC mobile valeting, last minute clean of the SVJ. Look at that. Yeah. At least buy me a drink first, Jesus. This guy's doing an amazing job. He's been cleaning cars since 7 AM, but he's still going, doing it for the Gumball, doing it for the rally. Car's actually stickered up now, and I've just realized I didn't film it on horizontal. I only did TikTok videos. They're cleaning more cars here. Right now at the moment. That green is not as good as my green, so I win the green competition. So now we're heading to Five Guys. Hi, how you doing? Just tagging along, why not? So we're heading to Five Guys. There's only 4 of us though. As they said earlier, we need to find our 5th guy. But I may need fuel because they kept saying, can you rev your car? And flames were coming out. So it probably cost me about £50 worth of fuel to entertain a bunch of 12-year-olds. It's funny, people always think when you have a supercar, you get girls, but you don't. You just get little boys following you around. Not even men, little boys. Here we are heading to Five Guys, and then from Five Guys, we're heading to register. Then to register, we're heading to the grid. It's a whole shebang. Anyway.
Edinburgh Castle tonight?
Is that tonight?
VIP party.
Jesus Christ. And now I know why people do drugs, because this isn't easy to especially this. But it's funny because so people are going to drink and party and then drive tomorrow.
Yeah, and they do that for 7 days straight.
So you live in a constant state of drunkenness, that you're so drunk that you're no longer drunk, because that's like your state of function.
Well,
you know,
gets rid of the back pain.
Do you know what? You know what it is? Functioning alcoholics. That's what Gumball is. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do anything. So it's going to be a challenge for me. But again, I'm only doing the British leg. But yeah, we're off to Five Guys. I'm being different, but we're back now. I'm not that flexible. We are back in the building. Everything okay with it? Oh, license plate on, ready to go. Awesome. Awesome. We are back in the building. I think everything's pretty much ready to go now. Oh, they're still here. They're still here. The first ginger person I met in Scotland. They're still here. Oh, their SVJ is getting stickered up now. Powerful. Very, very powerful. I went down with this yesterday. The Gintani exhaust on this car sounds insane. So it was a pretty intense drive down. My eardrums are still ringing slightly. They've got all their DDE gear. I love it. I love it. Oh, and he's just hiding in the back secretly. It's cool. This Edinburgh is really cool. I think Edinburgh is my new favorite place. Cars stick it up. I think we're going to the grid in a second. Oh. Meeting the fans. Look, DDE's international reach. It's very international. They're doing well. Basically, if you don't have cars, you're not actually supposed to be there. We're heading to the grid. I think we're going to do a couple laps around Edinburgh first, and head out to the grid, get the cars parked up, looking lovely. I've said this a million times, but I am exhausted. Koenigsegg's are getting ready, doors are up, they've just taken the roof off. My roof does not come off, and that roof has holes in it because they put screws on there, but such is life. Welcome to Gumball. We got the tight car park corner. It's giving me anxiety. We are in the world's tightest car park apparently. Well, for these cars, I'm waiting for the Koenigseggs behind me. They're not here yet. We've got old Countach in front, new Countach in front of that. Lamborghini vibes, Lamborghini energy, you know. Got the Huayra behind me as well. Sounds a lot quieter out here, doesn't it?
Edinburgh's cold, man.
Hello. We're just out here vibing. Hopefully we don't get arrested for disturbing the peace, because I think we've kind of disturbed the peace. We've got an ambulance coming up right here. Doing that. It's ambulance? What? That's ambulance. Oh my good God, man. My ears, bro. Edinburgh, nah, it's a party. If this was London, keep your car. You want to say, turn your car down. Shut up. Shut up and enjoy. Edinburgh's such vibes, such vibes. Can you keep up? Can you keep up? Right, you're too slow. Keep up, keep up. Ah! The lights. You kept up. You did a good job. You did a good job. I think I'm gonna. I love Edinburgh. It's good energy. Everyone's in a good mood. If this was London, everyone would tell us to f. Sorry for the children around.
Okay, so you've got smoke. Go now.
Well, they would be surprised. I'm black. Going where we're going? Where did they go?
There.
Which way
Straight,
did they go?
Straight.
Oh,
right.
this way. And that's how you pull up when you're in a Lamborghini. Welcome to the world of SVJ. I realized that my engine bay is actually not secured. So on the SVJ, you have locks on each side to keep the engine bay secured and pinned down. This piece, I think, from what I heard, costs £16,000. So in the current state it is now, anyone can just pop it off and steal it and have £16,000. However, there is a safety mechanism that costs about £10,000. It's called a key. You put it in here and then you twist it if it wasn't. You put it in here, and it doesn't work sometimes. But this is Italian engineering.
Maybe that's only for the other side.
No, it's for, they say that one key for each side, but trust me, one key to there we go. Does both. So that's locked now. So you can steal half of it, but you can't steal the other side. So I have to lock this side as well. And from there, I am secure. My engine base secure. I always forget to lock it up. But look at the Gumball gear. This is nice. I love this. I like this. I like this. That is slick. I need to get my Gumball stuff. We haven't registered yet.
Pick it up.
Yeah, we haven't registered. Your hat says crack.
Yeah, that's my company.
Oh, nice.
We'll meet you later.
Yeah, okay. Tommy, nice to meet you.
I'm Nick.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, we'll talk.
Yeah,
what car are you in?
76, Porsche Targa.
Okay, cool. Vibe, man. It's good energy out here. Scotland is now my new favourite place, and Edinburgh is my new favourite city. Everyone seems really polite and happy and ready to have a good time. It's nice, man. Although I do struggle with the accent. I can't make out what they say a lot of the time. I keep having to tell people to slow down. Everyone here is just awesome. It's just great energy.
Good vibes.
Good vibes, good energy. It's cold, though. It's really cold in Scotland. But I see short sleeves. Are you guys not cold? You're used to it. Is this warm to you? Now, you must be freezing. Are you not cold? Jesus Christ. No, mine's 3-1. Yeah, no. Just outside London, yeah. So we drove up yesterday, a bunch of us. Here you go. Ferrari, signed a Ferrari hat in a Lambo.
The controversy.
Awesome, there you go, man.
Thank you.
There you go, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Callum.
Nice to meet you, Callum.
You too.
How you doing, bro? You enjoying it?
Yeah, I am.
What's your favourite car?
Maybe the Bugatti Chiron that just came in earlier.
You like the Bugatti Chiron, yeah?
It's the green SVJ, yeah, that's the brown, great.
Rev it!
Starting grid one.
2, 3,
Well done, Callum!
One of the best guys in the industry. Oh, it's a video now, wow. So we're doing a video, I'm out here with my boys. Introduce yourselves. Go on, Sandra. And you, bro. SVJ finally has the Tomi badge. Stick it up to the max. We're on the grid now, sitting down, 44 on the side. That's my number, not because it's Lewis Hamilton's number, if anyone's thinking that, but that's my actual angel number, 44. And I used to wear that number when I played basketball, so yeah, it just worked out well. And Lewis Hamilton, I guess, there's a nice F8 tribute. So I've got everything on the car now, and I've got my Tomi badges. We are on the grid, hard rock on the back. That looks epic. I love this. Doors up. And the stickers they look hard. I'm just gonna leave him there, bro. Such a vibe. Such a vibe. Welcome to Edinburgh. Energy. We are going into the castle, Edinburgh Castle, the Gumball party. So we are in the Great Hall at Edinburgh Castle. I bet no one's ever said this in here before. Chicken wings. I don't know. I can't think of anything.
Tonight, you see the grid behind me. It'd be amazing to, we're on 261,000 right now.
So we're walking to the club and I've walked past my baby, my child, my SVJ, next to this wonderful Murcielago. You've made me fall in love with Murcielagos. And now I want to get one. I want to do the rear wheel drive conversion you've done as well. Yeah, I want to drift it. Like a drifting Murcielago, that's what I want.